Hello friend, in this video, we are watching in a few minutes. What problems do we face due to a faulty drum unit? After that we learn how to replace the OPC drum and cleaning blades in a drum unit. Let's go for problem. Basically, if we get one repeated color mark or pattern which is continually repeat approx 4-inch gap, then this is drum issue. Just replace this drum unit with yellow drum unit to cross check, and these is some problem which we get due to faulty drum unit. Sometime line come in print due to cleaning blade, that time need to change only cleaning blade. We suggest always use new cleaning blade with new OPC drum. Now let's first see how to remove a faulty drum unit. Removing the drum unit also seems to be the main one, such as the change of OPC drum. Most people who do not have good mechanical skills always make a dent in the transfer belt and drum unit. So please watch the full tutorial without skipping carefully. After opening front door, open these both screw, and open this toner transfer unit. After that, open this fan box. Then to open processing unit, pull out these iron handle, and pull out processing unit with help of iron handle. After that, loose these screw and rotate this transfer belt lock to remove transfer belt. Again loose these screw and rotate this transfer belt lock to remove transfer belt. Then remove this lock. After that, pull up this transfer belt unit iron rod and very carefully separate this transfer unit from processing unit. Keep in mind that transfer belt don't touch anywhere. Keep the transfer unit in a safe place. This time our magenta drum unit has some dent. We can use it in the yellow unit, or replace with new. But this time we will replace only OPC drums and cleaning blade instead of replacing the drum unit. To remove the drum unit, remember not to use excessive force to remove the drum unit. We only need to remove the drum unit in both of these locks. Hold the drum unit with 2 fingers from both sides and lift it up from the front. First remove from the right side, then remove from the left side, as we can see in the video. Now we remove the top plate by opening both these screws. After removing the top plate, open these 4 screws and remove the plastic gear. For other side, open these 3 screws only. After removing the screw on both sides, remove these bearings from both sides. And remove the old OPC drum. Now open both these screws and remove the old cleaning blade. Clean with tissue paper or cloth, then install new cleaning blades. And apply the original Konica C6000 yellow toner to the new blade. Remember, do not use another toner, because other machine toners may have a developer, iron powder. We can only use the toner without developer. Then install the OPC drum with the protector film, because we do not want any risk of dent or scratch. And install all 7 screws with 2 bearing and 1 gear. And add top plate. And at the last, remove protector film from the drum. Rotate like this way. If the drum runs hard, put some yellow toner on the drum. Now hold the drum unit very carefully with 2 fingers. Remember, do not touch the drum anywhere. And install drum unit to this way. To check right installation, press drum unit to bottom side. Now very carefully install transfer belt. Add transfer belt, both lock. And close the machine. Now machine ready to use. Some tips or tricks. Generally we can purchase 3 types of drums from online and offline stores. Drum for dedicated models, which costs higher. Universal drum, which is reasonable. And drum cylinders for all commercial laser printers, which is cheaper than others. If we use drum cylinder, we will need to extract drum gears from our old OPC drums. To remove the drum gears, simply insert the iron rod inside the drum and hit some time, and use these gear for a new drum cylinder. You can paste it with rubber-based glue if not tight. If you will like this video, please like and comment. Thanks for seeing my video. Jai Shri Krishna.